So today we're talking about your brain and fear. Zombies. Your brain. So we're talking about how to remain calm in the chaos of life. We know there's chaos. We're focusing on practical Christianity, using our spiritual power tools to manage stress and fear. And our brains are programmed for fear. Some people get a kick out of being scared. That's kind of what Halloween is all about, right? It's about monsters and scary things in the night. It is personally my favorite holiday. So it's such an important holiday in my family that my son and his wife got married on Halloween. It tells you something about the way my son was raised. So it's not just because of all the chocolate, and all the candy on Halloween. I mean, we've got Valentine's Day and Mother's Day for that too. It's because of the scares. When you know that it's not real, when you know that the monsters are just costumes, and at the end there's something sweet, there's candy. Who doesn't love that? I mean, come on, right? But what happens when the monsters are real in the world of form? What happens here in our experiences when they do seem so very real? What happens then? There's not enough candy in the world to get you through some things, right?